What's going on, everyone? Hayden here. Hope you're all doing fantastic. So in this video, I want to talk about the power of archived sheets, archived deals, old deals that you have sourced in the past or your virtual assistants have sourced in the past, and how important it is to actually keep them sheets. This is what I've learned in my journey, okay? So I'm actually doing it as we speak, okay? I'm going over old deals that my past VAs have sourced for me, because some of the items, this will be quite obvious, by the way, so for some advanced sellers, but for some not so much, and sometimes you just forget about it, and new sellers definitely, probably not so much, okay? I think it's important to keep every single sheet. A lot of people just get rid of old sheets, they get lost and things like that. I collect and collab all of my old sheets, old deals that have been sourced. We keep them all, right? And then what I'll do is just go back when I'm purchasing. If there's not as much to purchase, if I've got more money that I need to spend, I will just go back on these old deals, go through them. Some listings just come back to life. They just come back to life. So what I do is just have a look on them, purchase them again, see if any deals have come back to life. If you've got hundreds and hundreds of deals on that sheet, more than likely at least 15-20% of them at least are going to be deals that are coming back to life again, or they never went out in the first place and you just forgot about them. That, along with checking your current orders, old orders, managing your orders on the Amazon page, or getting your team to do it or whatever, that gives you a nice top up, a nice bonus of new deals coming in, of more deals coming in, along with the deals you're getting from whatever you use, whether that's a deal sheet or whether that's VAs or whether you source yourself. So that was a really, really quick one, just to say that's what I do, okay? That's what I do, and that's what I'm doing at the moment. I make sure that I keep old deals if I can, and then I go through them again. I look through them. It can be quite a longsome process, but it just means that you can go for old deals, and there's a strong likelihood that you can source deals again that weren't deals in the past, or deals that you've simply forgotten about. So I hope that video helped. Please like this video if it did. Just helps me understand what helps you guys, and I'll see you all soon.